Hello everyone, in this video I'll be taking you people through my first day of 4th year, which includes attending classes, going to postings and also my post-college routine. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. What's up people? So very good morning to all of you, and I know that I'm posting a video like after a really long time, but as you have seen from thumbnail of this video that this is gonna be my first day of 4th year. I just can't believe that I'm finally a student now. It just feels like yesterday that I had come to this hostel and I was shifting, and I posted my very first video on YouTube, which was my college reveal. Now today it's the 9th of March 2025 and I'll be starting my final year from today. I don't know, it's kind of a mixed feeling like Anyway, so today it's the first day of final year, and right now I just came back from home, so you can see that I haven't really changed. It's like almost 7:20, 7:30 right now. I have my classes starting from 8 o'clock. That is, in the first class we have medicine. So I'll just quickly freshen up. I'll just take a bath because I feel that my hair is a bit greasy. देखते हैं, आधा घंटा ही बचा है, and then I'll be packing my bag and then we'll be going to college. And I hope 4th year is good. I'll be taking you with me through this entire journey of my final year.
I hear the beat. It's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind.
I've completely taken a bath and this is my outfit. I'm wearing like a short kurti.
The rhythm takes over. No room to rest. My heart's dancing. It's a love conquest.
Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't get too attached to me. Everybody act like the answer. One love like in the movies. Wasting precious time assuming.
HIV positive.
Oh, what we made to fall. No, I'm not lonely with solo and solely exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken, so open I gave until empty. Got it all back by myself, now nobody can tempt me. If I turn her off, you know, breathe in, embrace it.
First class was medicine and it is done, and अभी मेरा like 9:45 से I have my pediatrics posting, तो मैं manual लेना भूल गई हूँ. तो I've come to my room, I'll quickly take my manual and then we'll be going to the OPD. Yeah, this is my pediatric manual. साथ ही साथ I have my PrepLadder 6.0 notes with me too. I had been using PrepLadder since my beginning of MBBS and it had helped me a lot in my preparation. This is my PDF book and you can see already मैंने इसको कितना पढ़ लिया है. And guess what? Now PrepLadder's version X notes are here. ये बस notes नहीं है, but these are your personal workbook for active learning. बहुत टाइम ऐसा होता है कि we are just passively listening to the videos and then we forget to engage and listen attentively and पूरा video देखना ही बर्बाद हो जाता है. Version X notes have certain blank spaces that you have to fill it by yourself, so it makes sure that you are attentively listening to the videos, and we all know the more you write, the more you remember. PrepLadder 6.0 notes had a synopsis with competency tagging with must know and good to know tag. एक single layout format था with space. Both flowcharts and tables are there for better retention and visual memory के लिए. It also had important information boxes. The best thing that I liked about these notes was the integration boxes to understand the overlapping concepts, because we all know that MBBS is all about integration of knowledge and not just scattered 19 subjects. There are also PYQ tagged questions, and last month there was chanting lines which contain the most important one-liners. On the other hand, version X notes also have mind maps, flowcharts and tables that helps you to grasp the tough concepts at a glance and remember them faster in exams. ये triple revised है by experts so that there is no space for errors. It has 100% original high quality illustrations. Structure भी bulletized है, concise है and पूरा exam ready. Last में at the end of each chapter there are also MCQs, and we all know that how much important MCQs are for your PG preparation. I cannot wait to use these notes for my PG preparation. Even you can get your hands on the best notes today. Pre-booking is live and the link is in the description box.
कैसा लग रहा है 4th ईयर का पहला क्लास करते हुए?
बहुत आ रही है, वापस से क्लास जाना पड़ेगा रोज.
तो अभी कहाँ चले?
Pediatrics posting, easy posting actually.
So we light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me a million years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave
ক্যাকটাস
তুমি কথা বলো আর সঙ্গে বলো 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 তুমি কিছু বলো
তুমি কিছু বলো হ্যাঁ
How long can you hold until your breath fall? It's been too long now. I think that I'm on a second guess you, a second guess me, a second guess them. Don't second guess me. Live in the moment, 'cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment.
हो गया आज का क्लास एंड आई एम बैक टू माई हॉस्टल. स्नैक्स भी कर लिया एट द टाइम, चाय बिस्किट ही पिया एंड अब मुझे बहुत टायर्ड लग रहा है, सो आई जस्ट गो टू माई रूम एंड स्लीप फॉर सम टाइम. Thank you, Bodhi and Dhuti, for this.
If anyone has rishtas,
Please send. This girl in red t-shirt is single.
patro chahiye.
Bengali matrimony only.
Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things I'd probably start with.
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better.
So I just finally came back to my room. It's like 5:40 right now. मैं snacks करके आई थी directly. आज like सुबह we had a class like from 8 to 9 and it was the medicine class. तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा HIV and all के बारे में पढ़ा. Then from 9 to 1 o'clock we had a clinic. Right now I'm posted in the pediatrics ward. तो वहाँ पे नेफ्रोटिक सिंड्रोम का केस दिखा एंड बहुत झाड़ पड़ा. आज पहले दिन ही बहुत झाड़ पड़ा हम लोग को, क्योंकि लाइक राइट नाउ वी आर द सीनियर मोस्ट बैच इन कॉलेज इन MBBS इंटर्नशिप को छोड़ के. टीचर्स वाला है कि तुमको ये भी नहीं आता, वो भी नहीं आता, ये भी नहीं आता है, इतना अच्छे से सीखे नहीं थे पहले. एंड जो रियलाइज हुआ कि कल से पढ़ के जाना पड़ेगा. बहुत देर से भी छोड़ा था मैम. एनीवेज उसके बाद लंच किया एंड देन वी हैड लाइक दैट पीडियाट्रिक्स का क्विज दैट वाज ऑन डाउन सिंड्रोम. क्लास शुरू होते ना होते ही हम लोग को एक एग्जाम हो गया एंड it was very sudden, like just yesterday we got to know that today we'll be having a quiz. तो जो 1-2 पेज था वो जल्दी से पढ़ा and yeah we gave the quiz. Then medicine था, tutorial था, we learned about lumbar puncture. So yeah, that was about my day and अभी मुझे बहुत tired लग रहा है क्योंकि today I woke up like at 5 AM in the morning क्योंकि मुझे घर से यहाँ पे आना था. Change my clothes and then मैं थोड़ा सोऊंगी.
One hour later.
So I just woke up right now and like it's almost 7:15 and थोड़ा fresh लग रहा है अभी सोने के बाद. I'll just be going through some PDFs of the books because I have to order my books for the 4th year. Listed out some 2 or 3 books that from every subject that I might require and उसका PDFs मेरे पास है. तो hard copy लेने से पहले I'll just go through it once ताकि I know कि which one suits me more. And अभी I think I'll start studying the major subjects, that is the surgery and medicine, क्योंकि बहुत vast syllabus है और उसको cover करने में मौत आ जाएगी.
Never been to California, never been to LA, so I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends are getting married.
अभी हम लोग सब पैनिक कर रहे हैं कि क्या पढ़ना है, कैसे पढ़ना है. 9 सब्जेक्ट्स
कि आधा चीज पढ़ा दिया है थर्ड ईयर तक और हमें फिलहाल कुछ नहीं पता.
और 9 सब्जेक्ट्स क्लियर करना है.
And it's always gone.
शायंतनी has also started studying. कभी देखा है फर्स्ट दिन से ही लोग जोन पढ़ रहे हैं. 4th ईयर का प्रेशर.
नाही
टुडे
तुझे आधी डेटा बोलते थे तो
10th of March 2025.
2025. देखो गाइस, ये गोल
fake लोग with fake promise. It's not my goal. I don't set this kind of temporary goals. I fix permanent goals.
तो अभी वी आर गोइंग फॉर डिनर एंड आज मैं इसमें रात में बहुत गंदा खाना है तो देखते हैं बाहर ही शायद खाएंगे. स्पाइसी खाने का क्रेविंग हो रहा है. आई बी गोइंग समवेयर आउटसाइड.
Reminiscing the good old days, remembering to forget all the bad ones. I remember when college seemed so important, but is it worth it? Been wondering what truly matters to me. I know for sure it's not a fancy degree.
How was your first day of final year?
क्वाइट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द अदर फर्स्ट डेज. पहले दिन पे हम लोग डिस्कस करें क्या बुक्स पढ़ना है. आज ही पढ़ने बैठ भी गए हम लोग. ये कभी पहले नहीं हुआ है. हट रही है सबकी.
The pressure is high.
सही है.
Dinner done and I'm back to my hostel. अच्छा खाया. It was a bit spicy but I was really craving for something spicy today and I had it. अभी जाकर थोड़ा पढ़ाई करना है. So yeah, I'm back to my room and it's almost like 10 o'clock right now. आज हम लोग को नेफ्रोटिक सिंड्रोम का केस पर आया था. I start with the kidney, nephrology in the pediatrics part and I'm studying that from Prepladder. At least 2 वीडियो तो देखना है. Like आज ज़्यादा नहीं हो पाएगा.
Life's all about balance, and real love takes practice.
Feeling really sleepy right now and like it's almost 11:45. मैं सो जाऊंगी फिर कल देखूंगी क्या पढ़ना है. So yeah, that was all about this video. Bye bye.